with the horn of my car. We honked it out.
Road runners just went by. The road runners just went by. See, with diesel, you have to put that all the way over, then it heats up the glow plug. You can't just turn it on.
Okay.
You have to put it all the way over, heats up the glow plugs.
And then you
Which
can
has to
start.
heat up the diesel.
Okay. But yeah, it is a bit tricky, Gordo.
It's just the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Like, yeah, so you're gonna lift your leg over.
Yeah. Well, that's why I drove this thing here. Now, what I want to do is I want to put the here, so that it doesn't go like this.
Yes, yeah.
You know, but my buddy put this on here so that I wouldn't, because I only had this little space here. So that in the wintertime when my boots are all frozen and there's snow up here, I wouldn't slide off.
Yeah, holy crap, you'd be like wiping out.
Yeah.
But still, I still see, okay, like, get in there.
Yeah, it's the stupidest thing to get in there. And this is the 1989.
Oh, so I was like,
So
I was 9 years old.
So he's done all the painting on it, and he's done all, and he's bought these decals and everything else. So like it's an old tractor that got a lot of money for, and he did all this work on. It's an old tractor.
Yeah.
But hey, it is what it is, and as far as I'm concerned, it does everything I need it to do.
Guess what? We're driving this one next time.
Yep, you can drive her. We'll put her up. Put her up, and the peepers are started again. But how stupid is that? And the design of it. You can't physically get in there. You're skinny.
It's designed for like a small.
Your legs are that fucking
Yeah,
big
right.
around.
Okay.
But I mean, you can't. I have to throw my fucking. I can't even move my fucking legs that way. Ever since I was married to fucking time. Push it all down. Push it all down. It's just so stupid that the design of it. It's like that, well,